Have you ever wondered why some freelancers have clients that stick around for them year after year after year, getting more projects, getting more engagements, paying more retainers, eventually maybe even becoming partners, while some freelancers barely get any repeat business? What if I told you that it doesn't just come down to what you do, but actually what you say, and more importantly, how you say it? And keep watching till the end of this video, because today I'll share with you the secret loyalty phrases that's gonna keep clients wanting to come back to you over and over again and build that long-term loyalty. So if you're ready, grab your pen, grab your paper, and let's get started. So many freelancers struggle with a revolving door of clients. Sometimes it's 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, 1 week project, 1 month project, but they struggle to get a long-term gig that builds their long-term career. Now, this challenge exists because of a few things. The first one is that there's lack of strategic communication that builds deeper trust. The second one is missing valuable opportunities to reinforce the value that you deliver. And then the third one is not expressing appreciation enough and commitment effectively. But with these phrases, guys, you can cultivate loyalty to make clients eager to work with you again and again and again. So if you're ready for it, here are the 3A loyalty phrases. First A, appreciation. Second A, alignment. And then the third one is assurance. Let's break it down. The first one is the biggest one, appreciation. It may sound oversimplified, but being grateful to an opportunity and being grateful for the chance to, prove yourself to deliver the result, it's really where it all starts. If in your deepest hearts of hearts, you are appreciative of that opportunity, express it. Think of what that opportunity delivers for you, for your family, for your own growth, right? Does it allow you to get better at what you do? Does it allow you to put food on the table for your family? Does it allow you to pay rent and cover the roof over your head? Showcase appreciation, not just to your clients, but also to everybody else involved, the team members, your clients as clients, maybe. But every person you interact with, if there's a level of appreciation or gratitude that you can express towards them on the project, make sure to let it be known and also feel it, right? Because by appreciating these opportunities, it's what makes you want to do more for it, and then it takes you to the next step, which is alignment. This reinforces how your work aligns with their vision and goals. So if you complete a project and you're just done and dusted, that's your scope of work, that might be it. But if you align yourself to the real high-level goal of the client, that allows you to be the person they come back to for more, and more. So knowing and understanding what that is very key in order for you to communicate effectively to align yourself with that long-term goal. Which leads to the third one, assurance. Most freelancers are done and dusted once the project is done. But a pro freelancer provides reassurance and value to guarantee the service they have done. Think about it. If you buy something new or buy something from a manufacturer, it normally has some sort of guarantee, 30-day guarantee, money-back guarantee. Make it similar with your clients when you reassure them that, okay, I can check in the next 2 weeks, week or so, to see how the project's doing. We can circle back on how else we can improve it. That already positions you as someone that they will want to potentially work with down the road. Instead of just closing off the project, saying it's done and dusted, you reassure them that you are there to support in case things go wrong or they need more insights to keep making it better. Okay, so this approach works because of a few things. The biggest one is that it creates an emotional connection between you and the client and their goals. And this goes beyond transactions. They might start off with one simple task, one test project, but if you're able to position yourself as somebody that they can rely on to come back to over and over again, it changes the dynamic. Second thing is it reinforces you as a reliable partner and provider. And then finally, it encourages the clients to view you as a more integral part of the business, knowing that you're following up and you're touching base and reassuring them versus somebody that just is a one and done solution and then eventually forgetting about you. So by implementing these simple strategic communication strategies, you will be able to keep clients coming back to you for years and years and years. I've done it myself in my 14 years of freelancing online. I've used these strategies myself, and I've been able to get repeat business from clients that even up to this day send me messages knowing the results I can deliver. They even reach back out to me knowing what I've done for them already in the past. Let's take this to the real world. Let's say you're done with a project and then you end it with a client. The client says, thank you for the project. And then you respond and say, no problem. Let me know if you need anything else. That's a bad way of doing it. Stop doing that. Don't do that. Instead, what you can do, if you end the engagement and a client says, thank you for the project, what you can say instead, Mr. Client, thank you for trusting me with this project, and it's been a pleasure working with you. Be honest, if it was, it was. If it's not, then maybe don't. I'm looking forward on how what we've done affects the overall goal of the project. And in case you need any support, I'm also here to help out to ensure that we achieve the results. Just by closing it that way, you are able to turn your dull, boring, no impact closing with a client into an opportunity for continuous collaboration through strategic communication. Okay, so here we are, challenge time. What I want you to do, if you have any projects that are coming to an end, or if there's a client interaction you have coming up where you can apply this scenario, I'd like you to try it out. Try the appreciation, alignment, and assurance phrases, and then see how it helps. See if it helps you land additional touch points with the client, see if it helps you land long-term gigs, and see if it helps you get clients coming back for more of your services. And if you want to share them in the comments below, share your results. We'll see how else we can improve it and make it even more effective for you for your next gig. Awesome. So before you go ahead and do that, one last bit. If you are curious on how to turn a one-time project into a steady stream of income, you might want to consider subscribing to the channel and turning on the notification bell, because in the next video, I'm gonna walk you through how to turn a one-time project into a long-term retainer contract. A definite must-watch for a freelancer looking to build a long-term career in online freelancing. And if you have any questions, comments, feel free to drop them down below, and we will try to help you out some more. Assurance. There you go, folks. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.